Welcome back to this video. In this tutorial, I will show you on how to see your like post on Instagram. So let's begin. If you find this tutorial useful, remember click on subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Instagram app. So I'm going to simply click on that, just like so. Having opened up your Instagram app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile picture from the bottom right here. So you click on that, then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three slider from the top right here, just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on your activity, just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on likes. So you see all posts that you have liked so far on Instagram. So basically, this is how to see like posts on Instagram. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.